we are here to make a chain. So chains are the very beginning of any crochet patterns that you're going to see, and they are also easy to make. So let's see what we need for that. I'm going to use yarn. You can use any type of yarn. Crochet hook of size that suits your yarn, and scissors. So let's get started with it. So to make the chain, the very first step is to make a slip knot. If you're not aware of what a slip knot is, I have another video that shows you like how to make a slip knot. The video link is on the top right over here. You can watch that if you want to know how to make a slip knot. So let me quickly show you how to make a slip knot over here. Eyeball around 10 to 12 inches. Grab this yarn, pull it across the side using these two fingers. Insert through this loop and grab this yarn with your right hand like this, and with your left hand grab this yarn and pull it this way. So here is a slip knot. And I'm just adjusting my slip knot. Okay, we have our slip knot here. So let's start to make a chain. I'm going to take a crochet hook, and using this part of the hook, I'm going to insert it into the loop. I'm just having the loop bigger so that you can see it clearly. Grab my yarn this way. There are a lot of videos that you can watch to how to hold the yarn. So I'm going to grab this yarn using my hook and slowly going to take it inside the loop like this. This is how we make a chain. I'm just pulling it. Let me show it again. We have our loop here. Let me show this. You have your loop here. Take the crochet hook, insert it inside this loop, grab this yarn, slowly pull it towards you. So this is a chain. And we just keep making it this way. Let me show you once again. Grab your yarn, pull it inside, grab your yarn and pull it inside your loop this way. Our chain is ready.